Have you ever wondered what happens when the most important person in the house suddenly stops working? We often take mothers for granted, thinking their work is easy. But for Raj and his daughter Anya, one Sunday morning changed everything. This isn't just a story, it's a lesson in love and participation. It was a typical Sunday morning, or at least it was supposed to be. As always, the alarm clock on the side table rang loudly at 6 a.m. In a normal house, this is the sound that starts a marathon. Usually, Meera would jump out of bed, rush to the kitchen, and start the day's work before anyone else even opened their eyes. But today was different. Meera opened her eyes, looked at the buzzing alarm, and did something she hadn't done in years. She switched it off, pulled the blanket up to her chin, and went back to sleep. The house remained silent. No sound of the pressure cooker, no sound of the mixer grinder, just silence. At 7:30 a.m., the sun was bright. Raj, Meera's husband, finally woke up. He rubbed his eyes and looked at the clock. Inside, the panic began.
7:30? Meera, are you okay? Aren't you getting up? The kids will be hungry and I have to wash the car.
I'm perfectly fine, Raj. But today, I'm taking a day off.
A day off? From what? It's Sunday. You don't have an office to go to.
I'm taking a day off from everything. No cooking, no cleaning, no managing, no worrying.
But what about breakfast?
You'll manage.
And the laundry? I need my gym clothes.
You'll manage.
The groceries. The list is long.
You'll manage.
Meera picked up a book she hadn't finished in months, made herself a hot cup of tea, and walked out to the balcony. She sat in her favorite chair, enjoying the cool breeze. The panic began. 15-year-old Anya came out of her room, yawning.
Dad, where's Mom? I'm starving. Where are my pancakes?
Raj was standing in the middle of the kitchen. It felt like he was in a foreign country. He opened the refrigerator.
Okay, let's see. We have eggs, bread, some vegetables, milk. Anya, how does your mother make those fluffy omelets?
I don't know, Dad. She just does it.
The next hour was a disaster. The kitchen started to look like a battlefield. The smell of burnt toast filled the air. Raj accidentally spilled half a liter of milk on the floor. Anya tried to chop onions but ended up crying, not from sadness but from the fumes. Finally, at 9:30 a.m., breakfast was served. The toast was black, the omelets were runny and undercooked, and the tea was cold. Anya took a bite and whispered,
Mom makes this look so easy. Why is it so hard for us?
After breakfast, Raj tried to relax on the sofa, but the house started talking to him.
Dad, the washing machine stopped. The clothes are wet and heavy.
The doorbell rang. It was the maid.
Sir, where is the floor cleaner? And where are the new trash bags? Madam always keeps them ready.
Raj ran from the laundry room to the kitchen cabinet. He couldn't find anything. Then he remembered. He couldn't ask Meera. She was on a day off. By noon, the house was a mess. There were toys on the floor, wet clothes in a bucket, a mountain of dirty dishes in the sink, and a very hungry pet dog barking for food.
Let's just order lunch. Ordering food is easy. Problem solved.
They ordered pizza. It was delicious, but the problem wasn't solved. After eating, the pizza boxes joined the dirty dishes. The living room was dusty. The grocery list for the week was still blank. Raj sat on the floor looking at the mess. He realized that Meera didn't just do chores. She was the manager of their lives. She knew when the milk would run out before it happened. She knew where Anya's school ID was hidden. She knew exactly how much salt Raj liked in his food. Meanwhile, Meera watched them from the balcony. She wasn't angry. She wasn't happy to see them struggle. She just had a gentle, peaceful smile. She was finally being seen. That night, the house was finally quiet, though it was still messy. Raj and Anya walked into the bedroom. Meera was still reading her book. Raj sat on the edge of the bed. Tears filled Meera's eyes. It wasn't the rest that she needed, it was the recognition.
I owe you an apology. I honestly thought you just lived here and did some chores. I thought it was natural for you. But today I realized you carry 100 responsibilities that no one notices because you never complain.
Mom, you don't just cook for us. You manage our happiness.
From tomorrow, this house isn't just your responsibility. It's our responsibility. We might burn the toast again, and the clothes might not be folded perfectly, but we will do it together.
The next morning, the alarm rang at 6 a.m. Meera got up, but she didn't rush. In the kitchen, Raj was already boiling the water for tea. Anya was watering the plants. The kitchen was still a little messy, and the chapatis weren't perfectly round, but for the first time, Meera wasn't carrying the weight alone. You see, appreciation is beautiful, but participation is even more beautiful. A home doesn't run because one woman silently does everything. It runs best when everyone shares the load. So today, don't just say thank you to the women in your life. Ask them, how can I help? What do you think of Raj's realization? Have you ever tried to do all the housework for one day? Tell us your story in the comments below.